Hi, sixth graders. Today is Wednesday, May 25th, and today we are going to continue working on your research project. Now, based on where people were yesterday, everyone was kind of at different places within their outline. So the first thing you are going to do today is finish your outline. Okay, I would like that done by the end of class today if possible. If you're feeling like you need a little bit more time in class on Thursday, that should be fine as well. All right, so let me open my research organizer here. And you'll go to your My Document. Mine's right here. Okay. So for your outline, remember, you are, so I told you yesterday to write your 3 subtopics and then come up with your facts, then come up with a topic sentence, and then your sentence leading into subtopic 2, and do that for each of the 3 subtopics. So a couple things I want to just point out. First of all, your topic sentence should not say something like, now I'm going to tell you about this, or even something like my next subtopic is. It should be creative. It should be something such as astronauts living on the space station do a lot of tasks in interesting ways. And there's an example on the board of a topic sentence. Okay, it should not just be your topic. Then you have your 3 detail sentences, which remember should be in your own words and in complete sentences. And then your sentence leading into subtopic 2. So what this does is this ties in this subtopic with this subtopic. And at the top of, if we go into, I'm on the wrong page here. If you go to step 4, outline, I did write some transitional words on the Schoology page for you. So I know in English you talked about transition words, and that's where you should see these is in that transition sentence. So and, in addition to, furthermore, moreover, besides, etc. So you could use some of these words that I listed there to help transition into that second subtopic. Once you are finished with all of that, then you're going to go back and you're going to do an attention grabber. And I've seen a lot of good attention grabbers today. Just make sure you don't use pronouns in there like I, me, you, etc. Okay. Then you have your thesis statement. Now, if you scroll all the way down here, your thesis statement has a template that you can use. So you're going to say blank is or was. Some people change that to are as well. Is blank because, and then your 3 subtopics are listed here. So for example, the International Space Station is important because of the scientists who live and work there. That'd be my first subtopic. The type of experiments that are done, second subtopic, and the communication back to Earth, third subtopic. Okay? And those should be the subtopics that you have listed right on each of these sections. Okay? Then you'll come up with a transitional sentence to start off. Then when you're done with that, scroll down to the conclusion. You can restate your thesis word for word, and then write 2 sentences summarizing the most important details. All right? Once you are finished with that, have me check over it quick just to make sure that it's good. All right? Then the next step is going to be to start your rough draft. And so you can click right on that from the agenda here. And this is going to bring you to where you'll submit your final paper, but also the rough draft. So this is going to be due by the beginning of class next Tuesday. I have a feeling most people are going to finish it. Okay. You are going to open the Schoology assignment named this, the Space Exploration Final Paper. You will, oh no, the wrong way here. You will open up your My Document. Your My Document will be up here. Called Space Exploration Final Paper. It's just a blank paper. Okay. Some of the things that you want it to be double spaced. I'd say probably font 12. I don't really care what font you use, but make sure that it's something that's readable. Then what you're going to do is you're going to just take your stuff from your outline and you can copy and paste it. So you can copy for your introduction is going to be your first paragraph. So you can copy each of those sentences and make it into a paragraph, reread it so that it makes sense. Your second paragraph is going to be these 5 sentences. Third paragraph, these 5 sentences. Fourth paragraph, these 5 sentences. And then fifth paragraph, these sentences, which is your conclusion. Once you're finished with that and it's formatted and ready to go, I'm going to have you hold off. On Friday, I'll start having some peer review. And so what you're going to want to do is have an adult read over it and check it for spelling, grammar, punctuation, etc. And also for your transitions. And then have a peer read it and do the same thing. So in class on Friday, those people that are done will have an opportunity to have a peer read it. You can have an adult read it at home whenever and check over it. Okay? Before we turn it in, do not submit it yet. Before we turn it in, I'm going to have you highlight some things, and we're going to do that in class together next week. So please do not submit, even if you get finished. All right. So let me know if you have questions, and yeah, have a great day.